Ever wondered how zoning laws could be the make or break of your land investment? Well, you're about to discover why understanding these laws is a vital cog in the wheel of your investment journey. Let's delve into the intriguing story of the Johnsons, a couple who decided to dip their toes into the land investment waters. They bought a piece of land, envisioning a bustling commercial center. However, they overlooked one crucial aspect: zoning laws. The land was zoned for residential use only, and their dreams of a commercial hub were halted before they even began. This tale is not an isolated example. It's a stark reminder of the pivotal role zoning laws play in the land investment arena. Zoning laws, in essence, dictate how a piece of land can be used. They classify land into residential, commercial, industrial, and agricultural zones. So, if you're planning to buy land for a specific purpose, you need to ensure it's zoned for that use. Take, for instance, the case of the Smiths. They purchased a piece of land in a rural area with plans to set up a small manufacturing unit. They did their due diligence and found that the land was zoned for industrial use. Fast forward a couple of years, their manufacturing unit is thriving, providing employment to the local community and yielding them a substantial return on their investment. The stark contrast between the outcomes of the Johnsons and the Smiths underscores the importance of understanding zoning laws before making a land investment. In summary, today's discussion has revolved around the critical role of zoning laws in land investment. We've learned that these laws dictate how a piece of land can be used, affecting the success or failure of an investment. Through the case studies of the Johnsons and the Smiths, it's clear that a thorough understanding and diligent check of zoning laws before purchasing land can save one from potential losses and even pave the way for profitable investments. So before you sign on that dotted line, make sure you're not just buying a piece of land but also investing in the right zone. Remember, it's not just about buying land, it's about buying it smart. After all, an informed investor is a successful investor. Here's to making intelligent, informed land investment decisions.